What if you could make over $80,000 just by selling clothes online without touching a single item? Sounds wild, right? But that's exactly what one of my clients, Dylan, did with his dropshipping clothing store. And the best part, he didn't do anything crazy. Dylan just followed a clear step-by-step strategy, and today I'm going to walk you through that same process so you can start your own dropshipping clothing store in 2025 and work towards your first $80,000. Whether you are just getting started or ready to break into the dropshipping fashion world, you're in the right place. The first question is what to sell. Fashion is booming, but that also means more competition. So, choosing the right products is the first key to success in the dropshipping clothing niche. Here's what works. Trendy items that grab attention on social media. Styles people want to wear, not just need. Products that match seasonal demand, like loungewear in winter or dresses in summer. Now, yes, you can research these manually, browse ad libraries, analyze big brands, follow trends. But honestly, Sellvia has already done the hard work for you. We've handpicked best sellers that perform well across platforms and package them into ready-to-launch collections. Sellvia also offers fashion packages for every season. You can keep your dropshipping clothing store fresh, on-trend, and profitable all year round. Next step. Find reliable clothing dropshipping suppliers. This is where many beginners struggle because not all suppliers are trustworthy. Some ship too slowly, others offer inconsistent sizing, some don't even handle returns. That's why Sellvia only works with trusted manufacturers. We carefully select every supplier based on product quality, sizing accuracy, shipping speed, and return policies. You don't have to spend weeks searching, we've already done it for you. So, you've got great products and reliable suppliers. Now what? You need a store that makes your brand look clean, professional, and stylish. Because in dropshipping fashion, first impression sells. The good news? Sellvia offers ready-to-go stores that are optimized for conversions. All banners, colors, and formatting are done for you, so your store looks as good as the clothes you're selling. Of course, none of this matters if no one sees your store. So let's talk marketing, because this is what makes or breaks your dropshipping clothing business. Here's the good news. With Sellvia, you're not starting from scratch. You can get access to packages that include ready-to-use product videos for social media, plus a full set of marketing tools. Everything is available right inside your client dashboard. Instead of spending hours creating content, you can focus on what really matters: growing your business and making sales. Let's recap. You've got a proven product strategy. You have access to trusted clothing suppliers. You can launch with a ready-made, stylish store. And you've got built-in marketing tools designed to sell. That's how you start a dropshipping clothing store in 2025, the smart way. You don't need tech skills, you don't need inventory, you just need the right system. And that's exactly what Sellvia gives you. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to start dropshipping clothes today. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for the channel, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.